because this is not this. Guys, we need to talk. So what's going on? What's popping? It's your girl Robin. We're back at it again with another video. All that good stuff. So I wanted to talk to you guys about VIVI Baby hair. Now that might be familiar because I did do a video on VIVI Baby hair a couple weeks back, or maybe like a month back, on their bob wig that was like $60. I loved it. It was bomb. It was affordable, everything. Loved it. So VIVI Baby reached out to me again to do another video with them, and I was like, sure. I enjoyed the hair that I got before. I was like, why not have some affordable hair to show the girls, and let's give the girls baddie on a budget. My bad, I dropped my brush. I was basically like, yeah, like I want to do the video, whatever. So the last time that I worked with them, they're an Amazon company, so they basically sent me the money to buy the wig off Amazon, and then I turned around, bought the wig, and then, you know, did the video for them and, you know, got paid. So I'm thinking, okay, cool, like it's gonna be the same type of process. But I remember the last time when I ordered off of Amazon, they told me to give them my order number. The second time when I ordered, I forgot to give them my order number. So I just straight ordered off of Amazon. They sent me the money. I ordered it off Amazon, and I just kept it moving because I had stuff to do. I didn't even remember to send them my order number. So the wig came in the mail. This is where I'm gonna have to pause, because when the wig came in the mail, that's when things started going left. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig that I received from them originally, the first wig that I received from them. I'm gonna show you guys the lace and kind of give you guys some tea. Now, I wore it and it's dirty, so mind that, but this is really just for lace purposes. So you can see it's a light brown lace. I have my makeup on the inside, and the knots are pretty small. All I did was bleach the knots. The knots are pretty small on this wig, like all that. So I'm expecting the same vibes, you know, the same quality, you know, along those lines. Now, sidebar, I had some people under that video comment saying that, you know, they ordered the wig and the wig really wasn't the same that I got and different stuff like that. And for some people, it was just like they hadn't bleached their knots or whatever, so it wasn't looking exactly how mine looked. And some people that were saying that the wigs were not the same, like they did not receive that wig. So I was like, So knowing that, I was a little bit like, I wonder, you know, what's the vibes gonna be when I get the wig. This is the wig that I received when they didn't know my order number. This is what I got. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but this lace is completely black on the inside. The inside of the wig is completely black. The lace is a very, very, very dark brown. So I don't know. Let me try to part it. This is me parting it, guys. So clearly this is not the wig that was advertised. I'll put up a picture on the screen if I can to show you guys what the Amazon picture for that was or whatever. But I was appalled by this, I'm not gonna lie. I was really disappointed with this quality. This is the worst wig I've ever seen in my life. Like, just being honest, this is not it at all. The knots are extremely big. The hair is like pretty densely packed, which makes for a very unrealistic, unnatural type of look. Let's just put this wig on my head. I never put this on my head, so let's put this on my head and see what it looks like. So yeah, so after receiving this, I emailed them and I told them, like, I was really just not happy with this quality. And I started to understand that there's two different wigs that they're selling people. If you watch YouTube videos, if you're kind of into hair, you know that there's always speculation about companies sending influencers or like content creators certain hair that's getting promoted, and then the people that's actually buying the hair isn't actually on the same level. So I feel like this is that type of situation, and I was really just put off with that, like, completely. I am not impressed. And it's unacceptable. So I talked to them and they were like, okay, we're sorry, we're gonna send you another wig. I'm going to be installing the second wig that they sent me today, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got when they didn't know that it was me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got after I let them know that this is what I received. All right, guys, so this is the wig that I received after I, you know, pressed them. This is what they sent me, and this is the quality and the caliber of the other wig that I received. So if we're talking about this, I highly recommend this. Like, if this is what they're really giving, if this is what they were really giving to everyone, I would definitely recommend this. We have our lace, which is pretty light. It's not a super thin lace, but it's not super thick that you can't melt it. The knots, I bleached them. I went ahead and bleached the knots, mind you. So the knots are bleached. I didn't pluck it yet. And look at how natural that looks. And that's without me plucking. I didn't do any plucking. So if we're talking about this is what I'm talking about right here. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and melt this wig. So I'm just putting in my makeup on the inside of the cap, and then I'm gonna put it on my head. Last time I had set out my part, I hot combed the top, I put up my baby hairs, and people was like, wait, the wig didn't come like that. So I didn't want to do too much prepping. So the only thing that I did off camera was bleach the knots of this wig. That's it. I just bleached the knots and washed the hair. That's literally it. So I'm about to put this on my head, and then we're just going to get started melting. I'm going to be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. That is going to be the adhesive for today. That's what we're using. And we're just going to go ahead and melt it as per usual. All right, you guys. So I got the wig on top of my head. Right now, off the back, first impressions. The wig is giving me Rick James. I'm here for the ride just like y'all, because I really don't even know what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna start by doing my part. But yeah, guys, this is like a prime example of do your research. Don't just watch my video. Don't just watch somebody else's video and just be like, oh, okay, well, I'm just gonna get that wig because it looks cute on her. Don't ever do that. Do not ever play yourself. That's how you play yourself. And you have to figure out, okay, what are the girls collectively? What are the girls saying? Like, what is everybody talking about? Watching a lot of reviews will help you get a more well-rounded perspective on some hair. There's some bad hair out there, and I didn't even realize how bad it could really get. I've had bad hair before, but I had bad hair that out the gate, it was doable, and then it started, you know, acting out after a while. But I've never received hair like that. And it actually shook me to my core, because I was like, wow. I would hate for my subscribers to order some hair from any company and receive that.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave.
While I have this elastic band on, I'm gonna just go ahead and use some water and my detangling brush to kind of just detangle the hair. I'm gonna be putting some of this Mixed Shades leave-in conditioner in it too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. So by the time that I'm done with my edges and everything, like, my hair is somewhat dry.
Inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah,
So that's the curl pattern, guys. The curl pattern is really beautiful. I can't even cap on them. That is a really pretty texture. I don't remember what texture this is, so y'all already know. It'll be in the description, and I'll probably pop it up on the screen.
and I had days full of you. Before it winds down into the memories, it's all just memories.
I always use this Temptation spray. And guys, if you ever have a question about like products or anything, most times it's in the description box, so don't forget to check that out if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I've been using.
Don't you love when I come around?
All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. Let's get lace checked in. The lace is thicker. You can see it. It is detectable because I can see it right now. But I mean, hey, it's better than the other one. But the curl pattern is very pretty. I like it. The curl pattern is pretty. But at the end of the day, it's just like, I don't know. I really don't know. Because this, let me get a thumbnail real quick. This is not this. Even the hair itself feels synthetic. It's matted. It's mangled. The sad part about it is you really don't know what you're gonna get. There's inconsistency. They're not keeping the same energy. It was really important to me that I show you guys what I received originally versus what they sent me once they realized that it was me. So I just want you guys to be aware. I just wanted you guys to see, you know, like what it was really talking about. Be careful, be prayerful, you know, like just proceed with caution because you really don't know what you're gonna get. As usual, my coupon codes will be in the description box below. If you still want to buy the hair, you can use my link. If you don't want to buy the hair, girl, I don't blame you. You know, either way, I just want to show you guys everything that I have so that you guys can make a decision on your own. VIVI Baby, I really like these type of wigs, like this type of lace, these type of wigs. The one that you guys sent me originally, the first one, was really good too. Keep that quality and that consistency. Keep that same energy with those wigs. But these, the people can't do nothing with these. So guys, thank you so much for sticking through the end of the video with me. If you guys made it to the end of the video, I don't know, girl, drop a coconut in the comments. I don't know why I said coconut, but yeah, drop a coconut in the comments if you stayed to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.